Hi friends, today is a tatting day for me. I'd like to show you how to make these beautiful heart earrings. I'm using crochet thread size 10 and size 5 needle. This pattern consists of 4 rings and 4 chains. Okay, let's get started. The first ring consists of 4 double stitches, picot, 4 double stitches, picot, and 8 double stitches. So here I've made 4 double stitches, picot, 4 double stitches, picot, and 8 double stitches. Now we're gonna close the ring. Tie a knot. I'll skip the process of making the repeated stitches. If you have no experience at all about tatting or have trouble following the tutorial, please check the links below for the basics or comment below. The second ring consists of 4 double stitches, join picot, 8 double stitches, picot, 8 double stitches, picot, 4 double stitches. First make 4 double stitches. Now join the picot here. I'm using a crochet hook. Pull the thread through the picot and put the loop on the needle. Now 8 double stitches. So here I've made 4 double stitches, join the picot, 8 double stitches, picot, 8 double stitches, picot, and 4 double stitches. Now close the ring. The third ring is symmetrical to the first ring, and we're gonna join the picot on the second ring. So first make 4 double stitches. Join the picot. So here I've made 4 double stitches, join the picot, and 4 double stitches, picot, and 8 double stitches, Now close the ring. So next we're gonna make the chain here. It consists of 8 picots, and in between picots there's 2 double stitches, and start with 2 double stitches, end with 2 double stitches. So make 2 double stitches first, then picot, then 2 double stitches, and repeat. So here I've made 8 picots, and there's 2 double stitches in between these big picots, and at the beginning it's 2 double stitches, at the end is 2 double stitches. Now pull all the way through. And join this picot like this. So this part is this part. Now we're gonna make the next chain, which is this one or this one. And I'm gonna leave a little bit more space at the beginning. Then later when you pull through the thread, it will form a picot. Like that. Make 2 double stitches. This chain we're making 5 picots, and also as the previous chain there's 2 double stitches in between picots. So picot, now I've made 5 picots, not counting this space here. If you count this one, it would be 6 picots. And start with 2 double stitches, end with 2 double stitches, and in between picots, 2 double stitches. Now pull through the thread. And here's that space. Now join this bottom picot. So here we've done this part and this part. In the bottom we're gonna make a small ring which consists of 3 picots, and also 2 double stitches between picots. So here, 3 picots, close the ring, and join back to the picot. The bottom picot here. Now we're gonna make the second half of this heart. So make this chain, which is the same as this one. So here I've done 5 picots. Now and join this picot. Now when we only have this part left, which is 8 picots. Okay, at the beginning we'll leave a little bit more space to form a picot later. So here I've done the 8 picot chain. Pull through. So here's the first picot. Now we're gonna join here. Tie a knot. So you just need to cut the thread and hide the ends. So I just use a tapestry needle to sew the ends in. So here's your little beautiful heart. If you like heart-shaped earrings, I also have crocheted heart earrings. Please check the links below. If you have any questions, please leave comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.